Hi guys, and welcome back to RetailPOZ. So today the video that we're going to be making is regarding reviews that we've been getting from our own customers, whether it's on eBay, on Amazon, on Shopify. Guys, we'll dive into it and we'll be able to see exactly the type of comments that we're getting and the type of reviews that we're getting regarding our different systems. It could definitely help you guys choose which system you want to purchase. Is it really worth it? Is it something that is suitable for your type of business? Is it user-friendly? So you'll be able to see all of this within this video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it right away. Alright guys, so we have been getting a lot of reviews, whether it's on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, from our clients that have purchased items from us, so POS systems, full systems, or a tablet. So we're gonna go over that, and hopefully that's gonna help you make your decision as per, is it something that is interesting for you? Should I purchase it? Is it suitable for my business? Is it a good buy? Is it a good deal? So we'll go over that and you'll be able to answer, hopefully that's gonna answer your questions. So let's look at the first one, and just to protect the privacy of our buyers on eBay, I did not display directly the reviews from eBay, so I put them on a Word document and you'll be able to see them. So it's all the reviews that we have on eBay that I've put directly here, but I blocked out the names of our buyers. All right, so let's go with the first one here. Everything showed up ready to go and detailed instructions. Great value too. So thank you very much for that comment. And yes, actually, we do definitely install on your desktop the instruction guide. So once you receive your system, they all come with a setup guide. And you'll see that you have also the printer installation guide that comes on the desktop as well. We also give you all kinds of documents within your boxes. So as soon as you get your box with the POS software and the POS system, you'll get a document as well where to reach us. So if you have any questions, if you have any issues, anything, we give you email customer support. So you can always reach us out at www.retailpoz.com, and you're going to see that there's a tab for contact. So if you click on that tab, you'll be able to, there's going to be a page that's going to open up with all your information and details, so you can just input all your information, write down a small description of the issue that you're having or questions that you have, and we'll more likely be able to answer all these questions that you have. So let's go and see the other reviews that we have. So here we have great register and super user-friendly POS system. So if you had that question, is it user-friendly? Guys, here's the answer. It's very user-friendly, very easy to use. Like I said, you have the instruction guide, but with that as well, if you play a little bit with it, you'll see that it's very, very easy to use. Got it, thank you, love it. Thank you for that one. Great seller. As described, don't listen to people about shipping, read the description. So that's a very interesting comment here. Yes, it's true, sometimes because the items are heavy, we'll ship it separately. So your order will maybe come separate, but it's maybe 1 or 2 days delay between the two between the items that you'll be receiving. So I'll give you an example. Sometimes the cash register will come separately from your order, and this is just to prevent you guys from paying extra fees or custom fees once you receive the item. So in order to do that, what we do is sometimes we'll separate the orders, and also because it's very heavy, so we don't want you guys to pay any fees once you receive the items. So that's one of the reasons. If you haven't received anything for XY reason, please guys, just send us a small email and we'll look into it for you. Normally we don't have any issues with the shipping. We ship them quite on time, and like I said, if you have any sort of issues, just drop us an email and we'll help you out with that. All right, so here we have another one. Excellent. Easy deal, nice seller. Thanks, guys. Here we have, I bought a POS system for my grandson and he loves it. So yes, it's very easy to use once again, and we're glad to hear that he loves it. Thank you so much. God bless you. A+++, great seller. This was a great buy. I'm buying another one. So thank you very much for your support. Guys, if you're planning on buying another system because you're expanding your business, or if also you actually purchased from us in the past and now you'd like to upgrade to another system, because we have all kinds of systems. We have refurbished items, we also have brand new items. So some businesses will start with just very simple systems, something that is refurbished, not too high end, and then with the time they'd like to upgrade and get something that is a little bit more high tech and high end as well. So we have brand new items. We have also 15-inch POS touch screen monitors. Sometimes it's a 22-inch monitor that they want. So it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking into upgrading, or sometimes also you'll need maybe another printer, another scanner. So if that's the case, guys, we can always send you a coupon as well, because you've already purchased from us. So don't be shy, just send us a little email, let us know that you're purchasing again from us, and we'll gladly give you a coupon in order for you guys to get a special or a discount on our website. So on www.retailpoz.com, just go on the contact tab, send us a small email, let us know that it's the second or third time that you're purchasing from us, and we'll send you a coupon. All right, let's continue. So here we see very good item, well packed, as described, delivered well before time. So we normally ship within 1 to 2 business days from the moment that you place your order. So just to give sufficient time to our technicians to actually install the POS software on your unit, also to test everything. So if it's a refurbished item, we want to make sure that everything is actually working perfectly and that it's functional. If it's a brand new item, there's no need for us to check anything, obviously, because it's brand new. But we just want to make sure that we install the perfect and the right POS software. Now, by default, we normally install all 3 different POS software on your unit. So you're going to be having the retail software, retail store software. You'll also have the restaurant or bar POS software, and there's also the hair salon software that we can also install on your system. So if you want to let us know what type of business you have, by default, we normally install all 3 of them on your desktop. So you'll see all 3 different icons, and you can use the one that suits the best your business according to the type of business that you have. We have another review here. So we have fast shipping. So once again, as you guys can see, we try to ship as fast as possible using expedited or worldwide express shipping. So we really try to do our best to ship it as soon as possible. Sometimes it's out of our control once it's with the carrier company. However, we definitely from our end try to send it as soon as possible. So like I said, within 1 to 2 business days, and within 5 to 7 business days, according to where you're located, you should be receiving the items. So normally, that's really the normal time frame for you to get your items. We can see here other comments and other reviews. So we have, as promised, great little system, easy to use, everything works as it should, small screen. For the tablets, it's a 10-inch, so it's not that small. It's a fair size for a tablet. It really depends on what you're looking for once again, but if you prefer bigger screens, I would definitely recommend to go either with a 15-inch touchscreen, or if you prefer something even much bigger, 22-inch, you can watch all our other videos and you'll be able to see all the different type of systems that we have. We have here, as described, fast shipping. Once again, fast shipping comes very often. So as you guys can see, we are trying to ship as fast as possible so you guys can receive the items as fast as possible. We understand that you're in business and you need those items as soon as possible. So we do our best to ship it as fast as possible as well. Perfect communication support, product as described, shipping as described. So once again, we have a communication system by email. So we don't have any call centers or any help over the phone, but we definitely respond extremely fast by email. So any questions you have, any issues, we communicate with you directly through email. Product as described, it works great for our application. AAA seller, A+++, awesome product, thanks. So as you guys can see, those are the reviews that we have on eBay. We have much more on eBay, but those are the most common ones. So basically regarding the shipping, the items, and the software. So let's go and see the ones that we have also on Amazon. So we'll look at the ones on Amazon here. So we have one here that sells small business must-have. So yes, it is definitely a small business must-have. You must have these systems if you have a business. Really interesting, especially if you wanna keep up with your inventory, manage your employees, manage your inventory, or your taxes as well. So that's just a great system. So let's read that one. You definitely need this if you have a small business. Products are as described. POS system is very user-friendly. So once again, you see that it's super user-friendly, not hard to use. Very easy to set up, and the printer were basically already installed, just had to make sure the settings were right. Data input is easy, and it's super easy to put your products on sale in the system. You can hook up a cash drawer, but this kit does not come with one. But that's okay with me. The black lock box works just fine. Just a quick reminder, yes, this system didn't come with a cash drawer. However, it's highly suggested that you look at all our listings, because we have different kits, and if there's something that you're looking for and we don't have the listing for you, just drop us a small email on RetailPOZ.com. And if you need us to customize the system for you as well, because you need, let's say you have a restaurant and you'd like to have a printer in the kitchen, you want another one in the office, so you need 2 printers, you need 2 scanners, whatever the purpose is. If you need whatever you guys need, just let us know and we'll customize it. We'll tell you exactly how much it will cost as well. So if it's not part of our listings, just let us know and we'll customize it. We'll create you a listing just for you. All right, but thanks for that that reminder. But yes, I'm happy that your black lock box worked just fine. And if you do need a cash drawer, please just send us an email, and it will be our pleasure to give you a discount on our cash drawers as well. So here, let's see other comments that we have on Amazon. Better than I could have hoped. For the price I paid. So yes, our prices are really affordable. We have all kinds of systems. So it really depends on your budget. If you want to go with something, like I said, that is refurbished, and if you're just starting up your business and you want something that is not too expensive, we have those systems for you. And if you're looking for something that is much more high-end, and depending really on the type of business that you have and the budget that you have, we have all kinds of systems for you. So feel free to go into our website or on Amazon and check us out. So this one here says, perfectly adequate for a retail setting. I've run this POS system for 2.5 months now, and it is easy to train for and full of features that helps track supply costs, profit margins, as well as accounting software. The customer support from both the seller as well as the Alexandra POS software developers is top-notch, fast responses, and very helpful. If I had to give a complaint, it would be the size of the cashier drawer. Bills fits fine, but if you have a stack of bills in a compartment, I can sometimes be tough to get a single bill out without dragging additional ones out. So we hear you guys, and we thank you for your comments. Since we have read that comment, we actually upgraded to 16-inch cash drawers. So they're much bigger, there's much more spaces, there's five spots to put your bills. So we definitely read your comments. We hear you guys when you send us emails, when you give us your feedback. We hear it, and we try to improve our business as well and bring it to a different level. So we heard that one, and we thank you very much for that comment. We were able to actually upgrade that to 16-inch. So guys, feel free if you need to upgrade. We'll give you a coupon for a discount. All right, we have another one here. I love it. This thing is so much better than the regular register I was using. Would highly recommend to anyone. Software is great, even has pics of items. Yes, it does. You can upload all the pictures of your items into the POS software. So like I said, it's very user-friendly. You can play with it, and you'll be able to see that there's so many different features in that software. And really depends on the type of business that you have, but it's perfect for any sort of retail store, any sort of vape store, dollar stores, anything that you can actually imagine. This software is actually great for you guys. So if you're running a restaurant, a pub, a bar, we have the software that is ideal for that type of business as well. So guys, if you like that video, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and just leave us certain comments if you have any sort of comments. And like I said, if you have any questions or you'd like us to customize the system for you, just reach us out on RetailPOZ.com. Thank you so much and have yourself a great day.